Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna draw a dog. First, let's draw the head, just like this, and then the ears. The ears is very long. Let's draw another one on the left, and let's finish the head just like this. Draw 2 circles for the eyes and make them sparkly by drawing 2 small circles and then the pupil. Draw the nose and then the mouth, a curve and a little curve like this, and then 2 ovals for the glossy cheeks. And now let's draw the body. Start with drawing the feet, the front feet like this, the other one. Yeah, it's easy to follow, right? Now let's draw the body. Just down and a curve, and the other side, go down, a curve and down. And the back feet, left and right. And draw little lines for the details, just like this. And now the tail. Make the tail fluffy. Add some dot under the nose. And it's done. We are ready to color. Let's color it. I colored the eyes black, and then the nose dark brown. While for the body, it's a shade of brown. You can choose any shade of brown that you have. We're gonna color all the body, the head, the ears, and also the tail. Once we're done coloring, we can layer the lines with darker shade of brown, just like this, and also the feet. And now the cheeks pink. It's very cute, right? Oh, we forgot something. Oh, I think it's the eyebrows. Let's draw the eyebrows. And now it's done. What a cute little dog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time!